This will be a speed test between the LG V40 ThinQ versus the iPhone XS Max. Now the V40, this one has the Snapdragon 845 and 6 gigs of RAM. iPhone XS Max has the 812 Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the LG V40. And we are in. Nothing open in the background on both. So you can see all caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. Messages. Very close again. Camera. You guys are the judges. Clock on both phones. Go ahead and start the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. Chrome and Safari. Go ahead and search for GSM Arena on this. Go. Looking at the progress bar. And give this to the LG. Scroll to the bottom and we'll go to the desktop version. And give this to the LG again. Pinch to zoom. Nice and smooth on the XS. Nice and butter on the V40. Leave it on this page. Calculator. Very close. Play Store and the App Store. Go. Give this to the LG. Click on an app. Leave it right there. Amazon Shopping. Very close, maybe the LG on that one. Click on this deal of the day. eBay. We'll give this to the LG. Click on this vacuum. Super Mario Run. Loading on the LG V40. And give this to the LG. Tap to begin. iPhone a little bit faster actually running the game, as you can see. We'll leave it there. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Spirits Cove. Ooh! This might be a tie, we'll find out. Oh, give it to XS Max by split second. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. Ooh, LG V40 ahead. Will the iPhone catch up? It does not, and give this to the LG V40. Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 Legends. And give this to the LG again. LG came to play today. PUBG. Looks like the iPhone is ahead here. I doubt that the V40 will catch up, but you never know. And give this to the iPhone so you can see. Loading on the V40. Here we go. Catching up, finally. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, LG V40 way ahead. And we'll give this to the LG. Twitter. LG. iPhone lagging a little bit on this one. Instagram. LG again, as you can see. Snapchat. LG. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. So let's just see what happens right now. Instagram, good to go. Twitter, still in RAM on both. San Andreas, ready to play on both. PUBG, ready to play on both as well. Asphalt 9, good to go on both. Angry Birds 2, ready to play on both phones. You can see Temple Run 2, paused and ready to resume on both handsets. Mario Run, Mario Time, that's for sure. eBay, same place. Amazon, same place. Play Store and App Store, no changes. Calculator, still there. The browsers, still on GSM Arena, as you can see. Very nice. Clock on both phones, both still running the stopwatch. The camera, there you have it. Messages, a little bit faster on the LG. And the phone app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking the iPhone XS or the XS Max or the XR? Or do you have yourself the LG V40? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.